Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine. I am also fine. I am going to present an important class before you about rearrangement. Dear students, rearrangement is very important for making meaningful sentence. For this reason, some sentences or words are written on the board. So you notice this sentence. At first, some words in A went to a Tempuri car. Next, Kap Tempuri to the place Srimangal in C. The morning arrived we in D. Whether how was the E do school like you. At first, for making rearrangements, we have to identify the subject and verb of the sentence. Here, when first form of go went, so went is verb, to preposition, and I pronoun subject of the sentence are Tempuri car. So at first, subject must be used. I. Next verb when. I went. Next I went. Preposition to. I went to a cab. Tempuri. I am to your cab Tempuri. Dear students, this is an statement, so full stop must be given ending of the sentence. I again say at first you have to identify the subject and verb. This sentence, subject I, pronoun, and next word verb, so subject plus verb I went. Then preposition, after preposition noun. So at first preposition, then noun, cab Tempuri. A cab Tempuri to a cab Tempuri. I went to a cab Tempuri. Next, cab Tempuri to the place Srimangal in. Here, who is subject word? The subject word must be cab Tempuri. The cab Tempuri, because the sentence is written about the cab Tempuri. So subject is the cab Tempuri. Dear students, what is the verbal word of the sentence? You can say to. You can say to, but not only to is the verbal word of the sentence, verb of the sentence. Here to place, that means held. To place, hold. HELD. So here to place is verb. Held. Hold, held. So subject the cab Tempuri. To place. This is phrase verb. To place. Phrasal verb to place means held. Hold, held. The cab Tempuri to place. Where the cab Tempuri to place. The cab Tempuri to place. Other words, Srimangal and in. Here Srimangal is proper noun. So at first preposition in and Srimangal. Srimangal proper noun, initial letter or first letter of proper noun, capital letter. So S must be capital. Srimangal. The Cup Temporary took place in Sri Mangal. Here subject the Cup Temporary took place phrasal verb or phrase verb. Took place means held in Sri Mangal. Here in preposition Sri Mangal proper noun. You know preposition plus noun. So in Sri Mangal. In Sri Mangal. I again say the Cup Temporary subject took place verb. In preposition, after preposition, we use noun or pronoun as object. So Sri Mangal, in Sri Mangal, in plus noun. Preposition plus noun in Sri Mangal. At first subject, the Cup Temporary took place verb, phrase verb in Sri Mangal. Next. The morning arrived in. Here subject of this sentence about we. So subject is we. This is pronoun. So subject is we. And now you know subject plus verb. So verb arrived. Arrived means reached. Arrived. Arrived means reached. Arrived. Reached. So we arrived. We arrived. Next, in the morning. In the morning. Here preposition in. So subject plus verb plus preposition after noun or noun phrase. So morning the morning. In the morning. We arrived in the morning. Here subject we, verb arrived, preposition in, the article or adjective morning, noun, but in the morning is adverbial phrase. You know preposition plus noun or noun phrase. Here noun phrase the morning, preposition in. I again say subject we, pronoun, verb arrive, we arrive, next preposition in, then noun or noun phrase. So the morning, not morning the. You know article the is used before noun. So the morning, in the morning, pronounce the, because morning initial letter pronounce, so pronounce the, not the. This will be the, because before consonant the, not the, and before vowel the. So here the, we arrived in the morning. Next, weather, how was the? Weather, how was the? Dear students, this sentence A, B and C are the statement, but this sentence is exceptional from this sentence. This sentence is exceptional from this sentence because here WS question word how and verb was, the article weather, noun, here subject weather, the weather, but there is a WS question word in this sentence. So at first WS question word, you know, for making WS question we use at first WS question word how. So how. Next verb how was, then subject. WS question word plus verb plus subject. WS question word plus verb plus subject. Here two words, weather and the. Weather the, no, the weather, because article A and D is used before noun, so the weather. How was the weather? What punctuation mark should be given? Question mark, because this is WS question sentence. This is interrogative sentence. You know, after interrogative sentence, we use question mark. How was the weather? Next and last. Do school like you? Dear students, here this sentence is about school, but this is also interrogative sentence, because you know this verbal word in the sentence do and like, and subject you and complement or object school. So this will be interrogative, because you know there are many students. Do you go to school? Do you like school? Do you like education? Do you like to eat biryani? As it is, there is a lot of sentence. This is yes to question. In intonation class, a lot of students as example, a lot of sentences as example, do, does, did. So here this sentence will be started by using do, because this is interrogative sentence, and do here, do is verb. This is semi-modal verb, do semi-modal, so do then subject you, do you. Next main verb like, do you like. Next on which this sentence about school, so school. About school, so do you like school? Intonation, rising in intonation. Do you like school? Do you like school? So question mark. Dear students, I hope you are clear about this, and every dear student notice the board. Every sentence is began by using capital letter, I capital letter, D T capital letter, U W capital letter, how is capital letter, do capital letter, because beginning of the sentence capital letter must be given, and here capital letter word Sri Mangal, this is proper noun, so as capital letter. Dear students, I hope you are clear this class, and you again watch this video, then you will be able to understand the arrangement. Thank you very much. See you the next class, and may Allah bless you.